Hi guys, welcome to Naresh Technologies. We'll see another video session on particular features of HTML5. Now I'm discussing about new semantics completely clearly. In HTML5, semantics popularly known as structural elements to construct a better document, a better HTML document, it is there. So HTML5 offers almost all 18 semantics. These are classified into three categories: general semantics, Arabic semantics, and Chinese semantics. General semantics are 13, Arabic semantics 2, Chinese semantics 3, total 18 semantics available. Now once we are entering into general semantics, one by one, then we can see section, article, header, footer, H group, aside, command, details, summary, figure, caption, and nav, and finally WBR. So these 13 one by one. First, let me explain about the first category, section. Whenever you are seeing these semantics, mainly we are using for e-newspapers designing purpose, electronic newspapers designing purpose, perfect suitable. And these features I am starting from section to so on. For example, section defines different kind of divisions. We can say previously we are using div, but right now the div place occupied by section. Of course, we can use div inside section also. There is a main point also we need to observe here. Body contains n number of sections. Section contains n number of articles. An article contains n number of paragraphs. So which is the superior here? Section is the first superior. So I implemented here very clearly headers, footers, or any other sections. It is a paid tag, no specific attributes. Even though I will show you that example. But before entering into only one tag, one example, together 3-4 tags together I will show you one example for better understanding. Section after I am showing to you, article after header, header after footer. So first we can observe article tag. This is HTML5 article. Article means section inside available. It is used to represent an article. Article always an independent content. It is related to a particular topic. Maybe article we can say in forums, in magazines, in newspapers, in blogs, in different areas existed. Article is a paid tag. An article open, article close, no specific attributes. Global attributes available, event attributes available, but specific attributes are not there. Then I am showing header. So in the header level, what exactly existed? So the element is used to display headers. Then you can think about H1 to H6. No, that is not here. This header is different. So this header particularly you are using for the section. So this element is used to display headers for subheadings, and I said version information, navigational sections, or other controls, etc. It is also paid tag. Header opened, header closed. Attributes, element specific attributes or none. So like this you are having header. Header is there top and footer available in the bottom. So next I am giving footer clarity. Generally footer contains what? Frequently used links, copyrights, registrations, trademarks, different and terms of usage and privacy and policy, all these are available in the footer level. It is also a paid tag and footer open, footer closed, and there is no specific attributes. So based on these 4 tags, we can try to implement one example. So once we are entering into example level, commonly we are writing doc type, already it indicates version information. Then we are writing HTML lang information is equal to en-in, already shown previously. Then header section, title I am mentioning, I am saying HTML5 semantics. Now we can use inside that. Now simply first one, section. section inside article, and section after also we can use directly header. For example, I am writing power of HTML5. I said header and article inside. I need to write some text and I am closing section. Now article inside paragraphs, any number of paragraphs, and article completion after footer, all copyrights reserved. So here we are writing special characters, already special characters I showed, special characters already shown. Observe this semantic structure. Once you are entering into body level, first I started with the section. Section having heading, whatever the text you want you can copy paste here, and article available, article different paragraphs, article close. So section related footer. This is one simple example to you which is indicating the use of tags in a particular hierarchy. Then can't we use header in the article level? Yes, we can use. There is no issue. For example, you are explaining about introduction to HTML. Can't we use footer here? Yes, we can use content right protected, and I am using footer. So right protected, ampersand, registration, and we can say right protected information. Now once observe previous and this one, section level header I implemented, article level header I implemented. Same like that, footer available for the section, footer available for the article. So this is the meaning of what exactly the semantics. These semantics are using for a better structure. What is the better structure meaning here? There is a body level, previously we are using div, for every purpose div only we are using. You required one section also div, one article also div, so div level only, aside also div, so that div kind of usage is not there, but completely we are using semantics level. Now some text you can copy paste here, run it and check it perfectly how it is displayed. That I am leaving for you, some text. So this is semantics usage of section, header, article, footer. Next, more semantics existed we can see. That is nothing but H group, one syntax. Whenever we are writing H group, so H group indicates all headings from H1 to H6 should write only within the H group. We must not write these headings other than H group. It is one SEO fundamental rule. All headings you should mention inside the H group, head group. How many? 6 headings you need to write in the H group only. So how we are going to write these 6 headings? Let me show that. Either more than one heading also we can, or more. Remove that, enter H group, add that H1. Simple, I said H1 is JavaScript. Like the remaining headings also I want to copy paste. For example, I am changing any number of headings you can keep. All 6 headings you can keep. We don't have any objection that. H1, H2, H3, H group. So once you are going to run this, perfect. If you remove H group also you can't see change anything. But it is semantic. You need to understand semantic means sometimes logical view, sometimes visual view. So this is completely logical view, because whenever H group is able to view, so this search engine understanding inside headings existed. So better structure, the meaning is. Now come to, there is an aside available, the next tag. So aside is nothing but we can able to display the text, existing text aside, means either left or right. For example, aside I am showing to you, and hello, welcome to. It is from what WG and W3C like that I made. If I run that, some paragraphs I required here, some text let me copy paste. I am writing what is HTML. So whenever HTML, some text, if you are running, you won't satisfy with this output. Because aside means what you are expecting, not like this, you are expecting this side or that side or middle somewhere else, but displaying common one. So aside by default nature is left. Then that time, as per your expectation answer you want to see means I need to write here compulsory style. There is no other alternate. Style is equal to color blue, any color whatever we require, and font style italic. Then I am writing float. I need for example left side. I required width for example 120 pixel. So font family you required, write that whatever font family you required. Just run it. Now everybody happy. But is it really happens because of only HTML5 aside? No. I used again some cascading style sheet properties I implemented, so that it is satisfying perfectly. Now you are happy with that output whatever. Okay, aside means okay, perfect aside came. But how it is? So that properties you need to observe once again whatever I implemented here. Now the same aside I want to display for my second paragraph, but I need to change that one to green, yes, and I need to change that to right because already left existed. Now I am refreshing that. So what exactly you need to understand? Can we keep images? Yes, images we can keep, audios, videos. In the real-time industry you can observe any e-commerce website, available mobile related configuration, or available some book or the book related information something. So this is aside perfect usage of that. For example, you want to keep an image. Yes, definitely. Now you can keep that image img src equal to, for example, I am keeping .gif and I said width is equal to 100 pixels. Simple, I am going to close that. Normal tag I am implementing. So these many features not required right now. Just I can do that. And font family also not required because I am not using any font here. Just and refresh. One simple image display. Like this, aside is more powerful in the live environment using aside tag. We can do more examples. Better you can go with that. And next one, aside after we are using common tag is details summary. What is the meaning of details? What is the meaning of summary? Actually, summary is a field legend type, simple if you are having idea. And details is showing what inside available that. First, let me explain about the details through my theory part. Yes, it can be used to create an interactive widget that the user can open and close. It contains a different set of details. We can do open and close. The content of a details element should not be visible unless the open attribute is set. Now note point, details tag is currently only supported Chrome and so and syntax. Now if you are coming to attributes level, yes, one attribute is there, open. Now summary, together we will do one example, summary. Summary defines visible headings and almost I wrote it is a heading, view header, summary. Summary is the first note point I implemented here and perfectly right now supporting Chrome web browser and there is no specific attributes, right. We'll see practically that. So once we are entering into remove the aside story. Now I am writing details and details closed, then summary closed. I am giving here features of HTML5. Inside we are writing features inside For example, one paragraph you can take, no problem. So paragraph inside first feature I am writing HTML5 semantics. Second feature, any number you can write, no issue. And I am writing elements. HTML5 forms. HTML5 multimedia. HTML5 WebRTC. HTML5, then we can say like that any number of elements. Web workers, web sockets. So this is total information. Just we are going to open with this one with a browser. So summary, this is the title, inside details available. So how the manner it is displaying, just we can try to check it. Once we are going to our browser to refresh, just click. Same, this kind of feature you can see in the live environment also. Now you want to see the same feature by default open, then you can write open equal to open. Now by default if you are not writing open, by default is hide. You only observe. It is a widget of that. Now you want to apply some colors, you can use style attribute again. And for example, summary, inside OL, ordered list, otherwise unordered list we can use. More clearly we can decorate that and close unordered list, and we can use ordered list inside LI. Yes, once you changed that, apply now. Come on, refresh. Yes. And you want to apply CSS, just go there. Style is equal to, you can implement. Here also you can implement, no problem. Style is equal to color blue. Totally you can use. And you can. Here also we required some color, for example. Then go there and you can implement in the details level or order list level. Style is equal to color red. Then once. And for example, you want to change the styles, type available. Type is equal to square. You can keep user defined also, no problem. This is details summary. So almost all the major important level tags I shown to you. After this, a nav tag existed. Anchors, whatever the anchors you are writing, write inside nav tag. Same like H group. So all these are semantical rules. For example, your figure available, whenever we are implementing images, some are I am showing very clearly, which are important, right, details summary complete. Next I am showing to you figure. For example, img source equal to html5.png. Just I am showing that directly. That's all. That is image. Once the image available like that, or you can, now image should be figure, F-I-G-U-R-E. The same figure you can put here. Close that. Observe syntactically how it is going to be. Refresh. The margin, padding, auto adjustment is there. If you remove that figure, the responsive features automatically disappear. Refresh now. So now I added that and I want to add one caption for this. Fig caption, it is another tag, and fig caption opened, closed, and HTML5 logo frame what WG. So I want to view that and I am going to refresh, and HTML5 logo is there, and fig caption inside the figure you used here. So whatever fig caption you used here, figure caption is nothing but it should come bottom of the screen. So but it is coming side. So that time we need to implement image tag level. Simply, for example, I made one break. So perfect alignment is there, increase or decrease. That bottom observe, whatever the text you have given, it's sticked on that. So this is fig cap. Like this semantics, whatever 13 available in that main usage important one explained. Thank you for watching my videos. and other syntaxes or other semantics in another video session I will discuss. Please log on to youtube.com/NareshIT. In this Naresh IT channel, each and every video session we kept related to all the technologies. Thank you.